If you are over 50 and do not know which 5 fridge items quietly spike your blood sugar, you might be walking toward diabetes without seeing it. Many seniors keep these in their fridge every single day, thinking they are harmless, while their numbers creep up year after year. In the next few minutes, you will see exactly what to toss and what to replace it with to help protect your blood sugar. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which 5 common fridge items may be pushing you toward diabetes and what safer swaps many people over 50 find helpful. You will see how small changes in your fridge can support better blood sugar in as little as the next 30 days. This is not about a strict diet, it is about removing a few silent troublemakers you probably never questioned. Imagine this: your morning starts with flavored yogurt, orange juice, and a slice of toast, and by 10 a.m. you feel tired, shaky, and craving something sweet again. Many people over 50 think this is just getting older, but often it is a blood sugar roller coaster driven by what is in the fridge. Up next, we dive into relatable problem doctor visit. Maybe your doctor has told you your A1C is a little high and to just watch your sugar, but no one walked you through your actual fridge. Many seniors cut obvious sweets but keep certain sauces, drinks, and low-fat items that still hit the bloodstream like sugar. Over 5 or 10 years, that quiet rise can lead to more medications, more checkups, and more worry. Here's where it gets really important. The first fridge item to consider removing is sugary drinks, including fruit juice and sweetened iced tea. Even a single 12-ounce glass of juice can contain the sugar of several pieces of fruit but without the fiber to slow it down. Wait, this next part might save you from years of creeping blood sugar, flavored yogurts, and many bottled sauces. Those little cups of fruit on the bottom yogurt and light yogurts can hide several teaspoons of sugar, and ketchup, barbecue sauce, and sweet dressings often add more on top. Another commonly overlooked trap is low-fat or diet products that remove fat but add sugar or refined starch to keep the taste. These can cause a quick spike and crash, leaving you hungrier and reaching for more food within a couple of hours. Quick question for you. If you opened your fridge right now, which of these do you see most often? Sugary drinks, flavored yogurt, sweet sauces, low-fat diet products, or processed meats with white bread? Type your answer in the comments, because you might discover you are not the only one relying on the same items every day. Most people skip this and regret it later. A simple 10-minute fridge check can show you exactly where your biggest blood sugar risks are hiding. Start by pulling out all sweetened drinks, then all flavored yogurts, then the sauces and dressings, and finally the low-fat diet items and processed meats you use most often. One viewer in her early 60s shared that her fasting blood sugar had crept into the prediabetes range over several years. She did not go on a strict diet, she simply removed daily orange juice, switched from flavored yogurt to plain Greek yogurt with berries, and cut back on sugary sauces at dinner. Here are the mistakes many people over 50 make. They stop eating dessert but keep drinking sweetened coffee, juice, or soda from the fridge every day. They buy low-fat or light products, thinking they are safer, even though the label shows added sugars and starches. They clean out the pantry but never touch the fridge door, where the daily habits actually live.